In this sketch, I have drawn a 90-degree elbow and one 90-degree miter bend. Miter bends are fabricated by cutting pipe in segments, and normally miter bends are used for above 12-inch line size for non-critical application having design pressure up to 10 bar gauge. Below 12-inch size, miter bend may not be cheaper considering segmental wheel joint cost. Normally, we think that instead of elbow, miter bend can be used from same thickness mother pipe, but it is not correct. Pressure retaining capability of the miter bend should be checked. Now coming to definition of miter bend or miter joint, as per ASME B 31.3, an angular offset of more than 3 degree is called a miter joint and pressure retaining capability of miter joint should be checked. Now pressure retaining capability of miter bends. As per ASME B 31.3, maximum allowable internal pressure of the miter bend shall be lesser value calculated from below two equations. Number 1, PM1 equals to SEW T minus C divided by R2 into T minus C divided by T minus C plus 0.643 tan theta root over R2 into T minus C, and PM2 is ACW into T minus C divided by R2 into R1 minus R2 divided by R1 minus 0.5 R2, where PM is maximum allowed internal pressure for the miter in kg per centimeter square gauge. S equals to allowable stress of pipe material as per ASME 31.3 from where miter is made in kg per centimeter square. E equals to weld joint quality factor 1 for seamless pipe, 0.85 for ERW pipe. W equals to weld joint strength reduction factor equals to 1 for temperature up to 800 degree Fahrenheit or 420 degree Celsius. T equals to miter pipe minimum wall thickness in millimeter, that means 0.875 of pipe thickness considering negative pipe manufacturing tolerance of minus 12.5%. C equals to corrosion allowance in millimeter. R1 equals to effective radius of miter bend in millimeter, that means R equals to 1.0 D short radius or 1.5 D. Small r2 means radius of pipe in millimeter considering pipe wall thickness. Theta equals to angle of miter cut and alpha equals to angle of change in direction at miter joint. That means alpha equals to 2 theta. Now let us take an example of miter bend calculation. Say we want to use a miter bend for one 24-inch pipeline carrying hot compressed air at 10 kg per centimeter square gauge design pressure at 140 degrees Celsius design temperature. Pipe material is API 5L grade B ERW. D equals to OD of pipeline 610 mm. S equals to basic allowable stress, it is 20 KSI equals to 1406 kg per centimeter square. P equals to design pressure equals to 10 kg per centimeter square gauge. Y equals to coefficient as per ASME 31.3 equals to 0.4. E equals to weld joint quality factor equals to 0.85 for ERW pipe. W equals to weld joint strength reduction factor equals to 1. So minimum required pipe wall thickness T equals to PD by 2 ACW plus PY equals to 2.54 mm. Considering 1.5 mm corrosion allowance and minus 12.5% negative manufacturing tolerance, selected pipe wall thickness equals to 2.54 plus 1.5 divided by 0.875 equals to 4.62 mm. So selected pipe thickness for this 24-inch line is schedule 10 equals to 6.35 mm. Now say we want to use a 90-degree LR, that means R equals to 1.5D miter bend from this 24-inch schedule 10 6.35 mm thick API 5L grade B ERW 5. So capital R1 equals to bend radius equals to 1.5 d equals to 914.4 mm, alpha equals to 30 degree, theta equals to 15 degree, small r2 equals to 301.8, capital T equals to 0.875 into nominal pipe thickness, that means 5.55 mm. So pressure retaining capability of this mitre PM1 equals to SEW into T minus C divided by small r2 into T minus C divided by T minus C plus 0.643 tan theta root over r2 into T minus C. After putting all the values, we get PM1 equals to 6.45 kg per centimeter square gauge, and PM2 equals to ACW into T minus C divided by R2 into R1 minus R2 divided by R1 minus zero point 0.5 R2. Similarly, after putting all the values, we get PM2 equals to 12.86 kg per centimeter square gauge. Since minimum of PM1 and PM2 is 6.45 kg per centimeter square gauge, this mitre bend is workable up to a pressure of 6.45 kg per centimeter square gauge only. So, for design pressure of 10 kg per centimeter square gauge, we should use schedule 10, that means 6.35 mm thick elbow, or we will have to make the mitre bend from higher thickness pipe.